What's up everybody? Today I'm looking at the Rinnai V53DeP, a propane-powered tankless water heater designed for outdoor installation. It delivers 5.3 gallons per minute (GPM) of hot water, which makes it good for multiple fixtures. Let's run through the highlights. The unit is compact and made for outdoor use, so you don't need venting through the house. It has enhanced scale detection, helps with hard water. It's more energy efficient because it only heats water when needed. Warranty coverage is solid: 10 years on the heat exchanger, 5 years on labor, and 1 year on parts. In terms of praise, many reviews point out that it really does deliver consistent hot water even when 2 or more fixtures are running. Outdoor installation frees up indoor space. People appreciate the durable stainless steel construction. Also, the support warranty from Rinnai is frequently commended. On the downside, since it's propane, you need a propane supply and safe outdoor mounting considerations. Also, price of installation can be higher, especially if piping or venting or trenching is required. Also, for those in colder climates or undersized propane lines, performance at max flow might drop a bit. Who this is best for: homeowners who have propane availability, want outdoor mounting, and need reliable hot water for showers, dishwashers, etc. If you have the infrastructure, this makes a strong option. We share by links in description box.